Hi guys, this is Ali back again and welcome to my channel regarding hair transplant. Today marks the completion of 1 month since I got my hair transplant done, and in today's video I'll be discussing my progress throughout the week 4. But before I do that, I want to really thank you guys for watching my videos and appreciating it. And I've tried my best to answer all the questions that you guys have asked in the comment section and messaged me personally. So I would really want to answer one of the questions that have been asked repeatedly in personal message by all the friends and the viewers, that you all want to know that from where I got my hair transplant done from and who was my transplant surgeon. So with permission of my surgeon, I'm about to disclose his name. I got my transplant done from Dr. Irfan Ali Sheikh from Alkhaleej Hair Transplant Center. Dr. Irfan Ali Sheikh has got wide experience in hair transplant and other cosmetic surgery. He's very friendly, very helpful, and very down-to-earth person. I flied out of the city after 7 days of getting my transplant done, but I've been in contact with him, and he has been really very helpful and guided me throughout this journey. Now, coming towards the team of Alkhaleej Hair Transplant Center, I would really like to thank them all the staff and the technicians. They are very polite, very helpful, and no matter what your concern or whatever your question is, they try their best to answer that and satisfy you. So once again, thank you all the team and Dr. Irfan Ali Sheikh for doing an amazing job with my hairs. So coming back to the progress of the 4th week, let's have a look at the pictures.
So let's have a look at the donor area first. So as you can see, as the day progresses, the growth of the hairs are very good in the donor area, and with each passing day the hairs are getting bigger and thicker and covering the donor area. As you can see, there is only a spot at the top boundary of the donor area that is lack of hairs. But even if I put my hands over that area and rub it, I can feel small hairs sprouting out in that area as well. Now, contrary to the donor area, when you look at the recipient or the transplanted area, you'll be able to notice that with each passing day, the amount of the hairs in the transplanted area is getting less. This is because when I'm putting the oil on, or when I'm done with the shampooing and washing, these hairs are falling out now. Hence, this phase is known as the hair shedding phase. In my case, this phase started from 3rd week, but it was not very apparent till the start of 4th week. But in 4th week, I have shed a lot of hairs, and I think I have almost shed between 30 to 40% of the hair by the end of 4 week. And there are particularly few areas in which there are less hairs as compared to the other areas, but still there are a lot of transplanted hairs still remaining on my head, and I'm expecting that in the upcoming couple of weeks more hair will shed, and they will grow back by the starting from 3 months onwards.
I know it's very scary and anxious to see that just 4 weeks from getting a transplant done, I've started losing lots of hairs, and but I know that this was going to happen, and I've been reassured by my surgeon that this process will continue till next 4 to 6 weeks, and I might shed all of the transplanted hairs, but it's quite normal, and these hairs will grow back probably starting 3 months from the date of transplant. And it is a cause of anxiety, and because it was a very joyful feeling to see all the hairs on the head, and now it's again started to become a bit bald, but this anxiety is again not very good for the hair growth and the progress, and it also causes hair loss as well. So having been reassured by my surgeon that it will grow back, I'm expecting it to grow back in the next 3 months or so. So let's have a look in the video of how the transplanted and the donor area looks like. So I'm gonna come up close so you guys can have a look. So As you can see that I've shed lots of hairs since the last time I posted the video, and a lot of vacant area is visible at the moment, which has lost a lot of hair. Particularly, I am concerned about these two areas. You can see there are two spots where there are very less hairs, and it looks very weird to see at the moment that it's completely bald. Just to give you guys a vague idea, I'm going to turn my head very slowly here so you guys can have a look at the transplanted area completely. Okay, so now let's have a look at the donor area. So the donor area has almost got covered completely with the hairs, particularly the side and the bottom boundaries. I'm just a bit concerned about this area, which is still a bit bald, but I think there are still some small hairs that are growing up now, and probably in a couple of weeks this area will be covered with hairs as well. Now coming towards the care of the transplanted hairs, I'm still using the same hair wash technique as I have mentioned in my previous videos. In terms of medication, I'm still taking vitamin supplements and oiling my hairs with almond and the coconut oil. Apart from that, starting from today, which marks the completion of 1 month, I have started using minoxidil spray 5%, which will also help in hair thickening and hair growth as well. So thank you so much guys for giving me an amazing response by watching all my videos and posting comments and liking it. Please keep watching the videos, and if you want to get more updates about the videos, feel free to subscribe my channel and to post any queries or questions in the comment sections. So thank you so much, and a very happy Christmas to all those who are celebrating. Take care. Bye bye.